Seekh Kebabs! Just the name evokes images of bustling streets, smoky grills, and the tantalizing aroma of spices filling the air. These aren't just kebabs, they are flavor-packed adventures on a skewer, ready to transport you straight to the heart of India. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe will guide you to create the most succulent, flavorful Seekh kebabs you've ever tasted. Imagine sinking your teeth into a kebab, its exterior beautifully charred, giving way to a juicy, flavorful inside. The aroma of cumin, coriander, and ginger fills your senses, transporting you to a land of vibrant spices and culinary delights. That's the essence of Seekh Kebabs, a dish that's as versatile as it is delicious. These kebabs are perfect for a relaxed weekend barbecue, a festive gathering, or even a simple weeknight dinner. The beauty of Seekh Kebabs lies in their simplicity and adaptability. So let's gather our ingredients and embark on a culinary journey to create these mouth-watering delights. The soul of a Seekh kebab lies in its blend of aromatic spices. Each spice plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Ground lamb, the foundation of our kebab, brings its rich taste and tender texture. Onions, both raw and fried, add a delightful sweetness and depth of flavor. We use a medley of spices: earthy cumin, warm coriander, fiery ginger, and fragrant garam masala. These spices not only infuse the kebab with their unique aromas, but also help tenderize the meat, resulting in melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Fresh herbs like cilantro and mint add a refreshing touch, balancing the richness of the spices. A touch of yogurt tenderizes the meat while adding a subtle tanginess that elevates the overall flavor profile. And finally, a squeeze of lemon juice brightens up the kebabs, adding a citrusy burst that cuts through the richness. Each ingredient, carefully chosen and combined, contributes to the exquisite taste and aroma of the Seekh Kebabs. Now, let's bring our culinary masterpiece to life. Start by combining ground lamb, finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and the heart of our recipe, the spice blend. Add a touch of yogurt for tenderness and a handful of chopped cilantro and mint for freshness. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed. Next, shape the mixture onto skewers, creating long cylindrical kebabs. Remember to wet your hands slightly to prevent the mixture from sticking. Now, the exciting part: grilling. Heat your grill to medium heat and grill the kebabs for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning them occasionally until they are beautifully charred and cooked through. For an extra touch of flavor, brush the kebabs with melted ghee or butter while grilling. This will not only enhance their taste, but also give them a beautiful glossy finish. Once cooked, remove the kebabs from the grill and let them rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in even more flavorful and tender kebabs. Seekh kebabs are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. Serve them hot off the grill with a side of fluffy basmati rice, naan bread, or roti. For a touch of freshness, pair them with a cooling cucumber raita or a vibrant onion salad. Don't forget the chutneys. A dollop of tangy mint chutney or a spicy cilantro mint chutney adds another layer of flavor and complexity to the kebabs. For a truly immersive experience, wrap the kebabs in warm naan bread with some sliced onions, a sprinkle of chaat masala, and your favorite chutney for a delicious and satisfying wrap. So, gather your ingredients, fire up the grill, and embark on a culinary adventure to create your own Seekh Kebab masterpiece. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and adding your own personal touch. Enjoy!